Hey people, let's talk about factorials today. Now, factorial is a pretty basic topic and it will take us a very less amount of time to understand it. To understand factorial, let us take an example. Take any real number 2. Now, we will add an exclamation mark in front of it. This will be called together as 2 factorial. Alright? And this is 2 into 1. Now I'll give you another two examples that will make you understand it easier. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, and 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You see, you put the same number here and then multiply it. You will subtract it by 1 and then multiply it. Now what is its general form? Its general form, that is n factorial, can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, and it will continue till n minus 1. You see? So now let us talk about what is 0 factorial. It is 1. Now why can it be 1? Shouldn't it be 0? So there are multiple ways to understand it, gamma function or other beta functions and stuff like that, but of course we are not that advanced in mathematics, so I'll be explaining you in I'll give you two methods and explain it very simply. For first method, we will be writing 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. It is 1, 2 into 1, which is 2, 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 24, and 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 120. And at the top we'll be putting 0 factorial. Now let us see a pattern here. From 120 to 24, what should be divided by? Of course we'll divide it by 5 to get 24. From 24 to 6, we'll be dividing it by 4. From 6 to 2, we are going to divide by 3. You see the pattern, we are dividing it by one smaller number. Now from 2 to 1, we will be dividing it by 2. Now from 1 to, you see, 5 4 3 2. So what should be the next number that should be dividing it? It should be 1. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. So you can understand that this is a pattern, and by following that pattern we get 0 factorial as 1. Now for the other method, let us take 3 factorial, which is 3 into 2 into 1. What other way can we write it as? We can write it as 3 into 2 factorial. Well, is it wrong? No, of course not. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, and that is what it is here. So it is a correct format. Take 5 factorial, which is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This together is again 4 factorial, and we will write it as 5 into 4 factorial. You see the pattern here? The pattern is, we will consider this value as n. So what is this value then? This value is n minus 1 factorial, right? So let us write in a general term n factorial, which is n into n minus 1 factorial. Now we'll be taking n equal to 1. So 1 factorial equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 factorial. 1 factorial is again 1, and 1 multiplied by anything will be this value only. So 1 minus 1 is 0, that is 0 factorial. So this is one method of showing 0 factorial equal to 1, and this using a series, using a pattern, is another method of showing that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now there are other methods also, such as gamma function, that shows factorial for all complex numbers and stuff like that, but this is the most basic way that using which you can explain that 0 factorial is equal to 1.